Alright guys, here's a Minka Aire Concept 2. So, this is a remake video. This is a fall remake. So, done a video of this in a while. So, the remote, again, it's using a Fanimation, FanSync remote. So here's the light, Bluetooth remote. I can't reverse because I'm filming with my phone and can use a FanSync remote. So I could use like a Sony camera. I could use like a camera. So let's turn the light on. Let's start it on low. Sorry about that, my dad's soldering my speaker. So I can use it for a review again. So I'm going back to a review. So I have an update. I'm going back to a review. I'm going to for different dorm because Burgundy and Plum Dorm are both going to be for girls. I could be in Auburn. I could be in Heather. I could be in JBH or JBT. That's low. Want to go to medium. So, by the way, guys, if you're noticing, I could be in Brooks next year. I could be in Brooks 2 and 3, which they don't have fans. JBH and JBT have fans, but JBT is a girl dorm. JBH is a high school dorm. It's a high school. Yeah, let's bump it to high. By the way, guys, this is the old Fanimation logo. It's pronounced FanLink, but that's the old name back then. Whoops, crap. So, Fanimation, that's the old logo. It's called FanLink. What's like they changed the name to FanSync. So, right? So, this thing moves a lot of air. So, by the way, guys, I might get a Big A fan for my bedroom. A Big A fan haiku. A black one. So, that's because of my friend. So, my friend's from my old middle school. My old Hingham middle school. So, feel a lot of air under it. So, gotta start reversing fans because it's all gonna be fall off. Haven't gotten time to do the test mount yet. So, test mount yet. So, good long spin down. Let's talk about a little more. So, I may be in JBH next year. So when I explored Riverview with my grandparents, I went in JBH dorm, and I got to film those Emerson Pro Series ceiling fans. And the Wellness Center is just getting new machines, and I could tell Riverview to get Big A fans for their whole entire school, including the classrooms, Wellness Center, James Center, and dorms. Not Brooks, because Brooks has too low ceilings. So that's a quick spin down. Brooks and what else? Brooks and not Brooks, JBH, JBT. Gotta remove the solid state controls, JBH and JBT from those Emerson Pro Series. So founders you can't. So yeah, thanks for watching.